You have a strong, intimidating personality. Have you been often accused of being intimidating? People might judge you for what you are without knowing about you or your life. Your personality today is a result of the experiences you have gone through in the past. Because of that, your attitude towards life has become strong and tough. Others may not like the way you are, but that should not bother you. You should not be sorry for who you are. Marked by tension, your life has seen many ups and downs in your career and relationships. This has transformed you into an independent and stronger person. Therefore, you do not easily come off as soft to people anymore. Sometimes you are misunderstood as rude and mean for the way you behave and react around others. What most people fail to see is your soft side behind this garb of the tough one. People who come across as intimidating are actually kind in nature and have a big heart. Some common traits that are visible in intimidating personalities are the following. 1. Small talk is annoying. You do not appreciate small talk, and neither do you indulge in them quite often. Deep and serious conversations which involve participation of the intellect is something that interests you. Petty conversations concerning the weather or the glamour world do not catch your attention. You are in fact infuriated if someone interrupts you with their small talks. 2. Willful ignorance is not tolerated. You not only have a strong personality but are wise and learned at the same time. You are open-minded and do not entertain someone who is judgmental. Baseless judgment comes from being ignorant. One way to mitigate ignorance is to educate yourself. But if someone is too reluctant to do so for themselves, then you would either walk away or lose your patience with them. 3. You see more opportunities than others. Because you are open-minded, you may see many more opportunities in situations than others. This attitude not only helps you survive, but it also pushes you through tough situations. At the same time, you may encounter animosity and jealousy from others because you have the ability to achieve success through hardships. 4. Your focus is on solutions and not problems. Strong-willed people are focused and they know how to get their things done. They do not tolerate any excuses from others who try to hinder their work. They dislike people who are weak and complaining and fail to manage things on their own. 5. You are a person of your word. Honesty is something that you value the most. You are straightforward who speaks your mind and are not afraid to come off as someone who is rude. You are not two-faced and tell people exactly what you think. You always stick by your word and never lie to a friend. Because of your personality traits, you are choosy about your friends. You cannot be friends with anybody and everybody. You detest liars and dishonest people. If it sounds like you or someone you know, then you must understand by now that people with strong personalities may come off as intimidating, but that they are not cruel at heart. They do not try to dominate you in any way. They just cannot restrain their anger and frustration when they come across people who wear masks.